guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rafiq and it has been a very long time since I have made a video and I've got something new for you today. So, these ones from Amazon and careful man! These are from Amazon and I'm not going to bore you with all the minute details, but I have something different, something which is not very common in India, because you don't get to see people quite often doing these sports and all. So we have actually opened up these things earlier, not this one but this one, just to check if everything's fine. So let me just first open this up and give you some basic details. Okay, we have this skateboard from Jaspo. This one's the Ollie Quilt model. We have a black grip tape on the top and these are, I don't know if I can say good or bad. Have a look for yourself. Those who have been skating all their life or have some experience, you might know if these are good or bad. I'm not sure. Regarding the build quality, I would say the skateboard is good, but it has got some weight on it and I don't think this is good for doing tricks. If you are just trying to cruise around, I think this is good, but not for all your skateboarding tricks. So let me just open it up. I've actually saw it in pictures, but this is the first time I got to know why this thing is provided here. So it's helping you to carry the board. Nice, good addition. Speaking about the quality, yes, it is a good quality skateboard. I'm not sure about the trucks and the wheels, because you can see this has some tiny little holes in the wheel itself, and this also seems to be cheap, but considering the price we paid for this, I say these are worth more than what we paid. And here we have the Jaspo branding in green color. That's nice. Now let's put this aside. Catch it, man. So the one that you saw just now was my friend. You know who he is. He'll come into the picture at later part of the video, I guess. I would like to see him fall down from the skateboard while trying to ride it. I hope he does. This one's mine. Here it comes. It's only the graphics that has changed from his model, so it has some spiral things going on. This is called the Ollie Spiral, and the one that you saw earlier is called the Ollie Quilt. I think these trucks are like made of plastic. I'm not sure, but I can get it checked by someone. But I'm 95% sure that these are plastic. Since I'm quite new with this, I don't exactly know what to expect and what not to expect. I'm not going to reveal any prices right now in this video. I'll leave the links in the description below. You can go ahead and check. But yes, considering the price point, I definitely do like it and definitely do recommend it. The deck here, it's not made of wood or anything. It's fiber. I don't know if that's a bummer or if that's a good thing for newbies. This one's fine because this has like this protective casing around it. I'm doubtful about this GoPro. Okay. Balancing yourself is the key here. So, why are you guys moving? So, I watched a couple of videos by Braille Skateboarding. You can go ahead and check out his channel if you are interested in this kind of stuff. Enough with this. Let's roll. I'm holding you guys now and I'm going to try to ride. Okay. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No chips. I was this close. teeny tiny bit of second I was able to stand on that. I would love to see him fall down. I've actually learnt it. Teeny tiny bit, but something is better than nothing, you know. But if you have failed in something, let me know. Maybe you can provide some pointers to the guys who are trying now. Maybe we can make some videos out of it. Who knows? Actually, that's quite a good idea. Let's do that. That was actually my second trick. Not say that's a trick, but I like this trick. No one learns it the first time. Or this time, I'm definitely going to catch it. See? I at least learned one trick. What have you learned? Nothing. I'm done. I have tried it. I am able to skate it. So I think I'm going to add this in my resume from now on. What do you say we wrap it up now? And we are done for the day now. He's bleeding. Word of advice: be careful and use shoe better, because I have these on and I was able to maneuver and skate a bit better than him. So I advise, have some shoe. Any sneakers would do. Nothing like specially you'll have to buy some fancy kind of skate shoe or anything. Anything would be fine which has some good grip. Man, look at that. Don't. Stay safe. It was a hectic day, and like I said, I have learned something new. And I heard someone say, be better than today for tomorrow. So I guess I'm better than yesterday, what I am today.